lip scrub. I got this from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to try it out. I said lip scrub. Okay, dollar store. Let me try this on. So I mean, it's like a sugar lip scrub. Dollar Tree, y'all, $1. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree products. You'll find good stuff. Crayon case, palettes. They have some vibrant colors in here. So look, they have red and they have blue. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and put on this first. This is the brown color. And then I'll add the red and blue on top. We're gonna make this quick and simple. Okay, quick and simple. Let me get the music. Hold the music. I forgot to do this, which is the important part. Don't forget to I went blank. Oh, gosh. Put a little powder, finishing powder on your lid so it won't crack. I just realized that because I seen a little line. You see? You don't want this. Okay? You see? The little cracking. You don't need that. So yeah. Let me go ahead and add a little bit of that. Oh, sorry. Put the music on for y'all. I will be using my crayon case finishing powder. And this is in the color Y. So let me go ahead and add a little bit of that to my lid. Because you don't want to get no cracking, honey. Look at this. You put it on it so it can prevent the cracking of your concealer that's on your lid. Cause honey, don't you see people that put on makeup and you be seeing the cracks? You don't want no cracks, honey. I should use a bigger. Let's see. Let's use this again. Should I take off the purple? Just rub it on there. And it should help with the cracking. Okay. Go ahead and jump right into the red. Forget about the plum.
Si nous croisons avec eux, voilà commune. Si nous croisons petit, oui, c'est honoré. Mais si nous croisons avec eux, subis sa tête, ça n'a pas pété.
Go. The color I'm using for my to do my whatchamacallit, it's from the Juvia's Place palette, and it's the color Kufuru right up here. This color.